Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check which applications have access to your local network on your iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, swipe down, tap on privacy and security. Once you're here, just go to the local network, and here are going to be listed applications that have requested permission to find and communicate with devices on your local network. So you can give them access, as for example those two applications now do have access to my local network. If I just switch them to off, so the buttons are going to turn gray, it means that no longer these applications have access. But here also are going to be listed applications that ever requested an access to your local network. So as you can see, in my case, these are only two applications with connection to the Bluetooth devices, so it's pretty obvious. But as you can see, you can give them access or not to your local network. So again, how to get to the setting. So open settings, swipe down, privacy and security, local network, and here you are. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.